Hi, this is Bricks of Pie, and today we have a LEGO review. Today it's set 4203, the Excavator Transport.
Here's the close-up of this set. This is from the LEGO City theme. It's ages 5 to 12. The set number is 4203. And this set has 305 pieces. In this set, it comes with 3 bags, 1, 2, 3. And here are actions that you can do. Here are 3 other sets that come with this series. And there's this guy that's saying, hey, and that's probably all for the back. Now let's tear it up!
So here are the contents of the box. We have 3 bags, a base, 2 instruction manuals, and a sticker sheet.
Let's build it!
So here's the completed model. We'll have a look at the minifigures.
So this is the first minifigure. He has a nice helmet there. His torso is pretty nice. He has a belt. On the back he has this little chip thingy. And now I guess we can move on to the next minifigure. Here is the second minifigure. He has a red hat, an axe, and a torso on the front, and a torso on the back. And this guy is probably really cool looking.
So we're gonna start with the excavator because, well, it's called the Excavator Transport.
The excavator is very cool. You have 2 bars inside. I don't know if you can see them, but if you look up closer, then you might be able to see them. They're in there somewhere, like right there and there. And so he is the controller. It has ability to move in a whole wide circle, and the car can drive. The excavator can drive, and this is the bucket. It's facing this way, so you can dig under you maybe if you wanted it, if you're like at the edge of a mountain. And when we get to the transport, I'll show you what you can switch it in with. And on the back you have an engine. And now let's move on to the transport. This is the transport. We can start with the front cab. I'll take off the trailer. The front cab looks cool. In the front you have a sticker with a few letters, JRC, and the word city. You got 2 lanterns, I think, on the top, exhaust tubes. Over here is where the back part of the transport connects. It has 6 tires, and on the inside you have a cup and the person with a steering wheel, and you got a glass window. in the back, which when you go on this side, then the window goes right through there, and you can see that there's nothing on those dots, which I think they can probably cover that up maybe with like a radio or the speed and stuff. Over here, if you look into it, then it's red as the light. Over here it's nice and flat, nice and smooth. I really like it. Over here I think they could have covered with maybe like with a tile or something, or some other parts. I don't really know. If I was like a Lego designer, I'd probably know. Over here there's like an engine box or something, and that's on both sides. There's the other one. And now let's move on to the trailer. On the trailer, there's not much stuff in it. The whole base is on, you can get it in a cargo train. Here are 2 lantern lights, so if you're at night, then you know that there's something in the way. There's this little hold on place, so when you have the
excavator,
then you can put it here. You also have the driller that I'll show you in a second how you put that on. You got some dynamite and like an axe, as I showed you. That was on the figure earlier. There are 2 tires in the back, same thing on the other side. They look exactly the same. And the excavator fits in here. There's this square part that there is, these grays. It goes right into that hole. The tires are very close to the ground, but that doesn't really matter. Also, this part, you're supposed to detach it and then get this driller, and then it goes on. And then you got a driller. Now, you use the driller for opening up these little rocks, and you'll find something in it. So after you open it a little bit, then the person brings the axe. You use the pointy side, and it will open it up. And what you have inside are 4 pieces of gold. And you have the same amount in the other one too. And another ability you have with this is that if you turn this way, you can be drilling into a wall, sorta. So that makes a lot of sense. But after you finish that, and then you get this part, it sort of gets to make no sense that it goes like this, and you can turn. The best way how it looks is like this with the bucket. And so I guess this can go right there. When I'm moving this somewhere, then I would usually take these little rocks, put them in here. Then you connect it over here and point it down. You get the axe. You get this axe, but you have to put it in the front so it wouldn't be touching the tires. Now, if you want, you could have the bucket over here and this driller up here when you're in driving. I'll show you how that works right now. And it works sort of easier with these boulders because it holds them automatically for you and nothing happens if the thing moves. So you just need to attach that over here and it will come in. And then you have this part. Put it on. And then you get on. It's on very good. I like how it gets on. Then you can put it, it's supposed to be like hanging down over here. And I guess, I guess that's all for today. Goodbye.